Good morning, fam. If your back's tight, your hips are stiff, or your energy feels off, this is your reset. In the next 5 minutes, we'll unlock your spine, fire up your core, and wake up your body from head to toe. There's a twist coming up in move 3 that hits different, but you've got to earn it. Let's hit the mat. We begin with breath and motion. This is your switch from stiff to fluid. Start on all fours. Inhale, arch the spine, tailbone, and chest lift. Exhale, round your back, press into the floor, and tuck the chin. Flow through this with your breath. You're not just stretching, you're telling your spine it's safe to move today. I promise if you do nothing else this morning, this will still make your entire body feel better. Beginners, small range is okay. Advanced stretches, close your eyes and feel each vertebra ripple. Here's a fun fact. This stretch activates the deep spinal stabilizers, the muscles that quietly protect your posture. Give me 3 intentional rounds. Do you feel more in your upper back or lower? That's your body's way of revealing where the tension hides. Now just woke up your spine. Now let's fire up your core. Now we test control. Extend your right arm forward, left leg back. Tighten your belly like someone's about to poke it. Keep your hips square. Hold, breathe, balance. You're not just stretching. You're waking up the deep core muscles that stabilize every step you take today. I promise this move builds real-world strength and injury resistance. Beginners, tap toes to the floor for balance. Advanced stretches, pulse your limbs 1 inch up and down. Studies show this move improves coordination between the spine and brain, so keep this one in your back pocket. Can you stay rock solid for 5 more seconds? Are your hips level, or is one dipping? Let's switch. You'll feel something surprising in this next side. Left arm forward, right leg back. Same cues, different challenge. Hip square, belly tight, neck neutral. This side often feels less stable, and that tells you something about your body's balance. I promise, once both sides are activated, you'll feel lighter walking through your day. Hold, pulse, breathe. Does this side feel shakier or stronger? That just unlocked your core. Now let's spiral open the spine. Step your right foot forward and left knee down. Right arm reaches to the sky. Twist gently. Open the chest. Keep your back long. This is where spine, hips, and posture meet. And if you've ever sat too long, this move is a non-negotiable. I promise the stretch releases tension from your hips and spine. 2 birds, 1 deep twist. Beginners, keep hand on thigh. Advanced switches, tuck back toe and lift the knee. Most people twist from the lower back. The goal here is to move from the mid-spine. That's where the real change happens. Reach a little higher. 5 more seconds. Feel that stretch through your ribs. Let's balance things out because the next side may surprise you. Left foot forward, same setup, a twist left. You might notice the side is tighter. It often is. That's exactly why we do this. I promise opening both sides evenly supports your posture and prevents midday slumps. Lift through the fingertips. Which side felt harder to open? That just freed up your hips and spine. Now let's open the heart. This one is essential if you're at a desk or on your phone all day. Clasp your hands behind your back, pull your knuckles down and lift your heart up. Breathe into the front of your chest. We're doing hours of forward posture because confidence starts in the shoulders. I promise this move will make you stand taller, breathe deeper, and look more energized in just seconds. Beginners, hold a towel behind your back. Advanced stretches, fold forward while keeping your hands clasped. Here's a surprising fact. Tight chest muscles are one of the top causes of neck tension. Squeeze the shoulder blades for 5 more seconds. Do your shoulders resist this position? That's your signal to do it more often. That just resets your posture. Let's finish strong. This is your release, your full body exhale. Hinge at the hips and fold forward. Let your head hang, let your arms be heavy. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings, calves, and spine. I promise this final fold decompresses your back, quiets your mind, and lengthens everything we just activated. Beginners, bend the knees deeply. Advanced stretches, add toe sweeps or interlace the hands behind your back. Forward folds actually stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest mode. Hold, sway gently side to side. Is your back still holding on, or can you let go? You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.